we were very happy with the service, and I would definitely recommend them for anybody looking to gain ISO accreditation. But the actual audit itself, the auditor was very knowledgeable, very understanding, very helpful. It wasn't just a sort of a scrutiny of your documentation and processes. It was actually a helpful process and constructive in the sort of feedback that was given. Auditor was very professional throughout the whole process. Very punctual, always on time, ready to go. Was again open and honest about the whole process. So myself and business partner knew exactly what to expect for each day and each part of the process. Yes, I would recommend Blue Wolf. They were very professional throughout the whole process. The auditors were very knowledgeable and helpful, and made the whole process of the ISO external audit very, very easy and comfortable, and would definitely recommend for anybody looking to gain ISO accreditation.